Welcome, beautiful soul. Settle into a comfortable seated or lying position. Allow your body to fully relax, supported by the surface beneath you. Close your eyes gently and begin connecting with your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand, breathing in calm. As you exhale through your mouth, release any tension. Again, take a deep breath in through your nose, this time breathing in gratitude, and exhale, releasing any lingering doubts. And one more deep breath in, breathing in love for yourself. Exhale and let go of any judgments. Now bring your awareness to the weight of your body, grounding you to the earth beneath you. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, extending deep into the earth, connecting you with a steady, nurturing energy. As you continue to breathe, allow this grounded energy to rise up through your body, filling you with a sense of stability and peace. Set an intention to fully embody the energy of your desires. Think of one manifestation or goal you wish to bring into your reality, something that truly resonates with your soul. Hold this desire gently in your mind, as if cradling it with love and care. Imagine this desire as a small, glowing orb of light in front of you, radiating warmth and possibility. Now allow yourself to step into the version of you who has already achieved this desire. Visualize yourself in this reality as if it's happening right now. Imagine what you're doing, who you're with, and where you are. Feel every detail of this new reality around you. The colors, sounds, scents. Experience it with all of your senses, letting it become as vivid and real as possible. Begin to tune into the emotions that come with having this desire fulfilled. How does it feel to be living this reality? Is it a feeling of joy, peace, confidence, or perhaps gratitude? Allow these feelings to fill your heart, expanding through every part of your body until every cell resonates with the energy of your fulfilled desire. Feel these emotions becoming a part of you, as natural as your breath. Mentally repeat these affirmations to anchor this feeling within you. I am worthy of this reality. I am aligned with my desires, and they flow to me with ease. I am already living this life, and it feels beautiful. Let each affirmation settle deeply within you, reinforcing this new state of being. Take a deep, intentional breath, breathing in the energy of your desire. As you exhale, send this energy outward, allowing it to ripple into the universe. With each breath, imagine your desire expanding, radiating out, and attracting all the elements needed to bring it fully into your physical reality. Now, Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body, keeping the feeling of your desire alive within you. Begin to feel the surface beneath you, noticing the weight of your body, the sensation of your hands and feet. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this new sense of self into your day, knowing that you are now aligned with the energy of your desires.